welcome to SoCalerific. Today I'm here at Universal Studios Hollywood, but I am here for updates, just see if there's anything new in the park. I did do Grinchmas on my last visit, so if you want to check out that video. But today we're gonna walk around the park and hopefully there's something new. So come along and let's go. So our first little update here is in Universal City Walk. The AMC did change out their wraps. They are currently promoting the new movie Migration, which it says will be in theaters this Christmas. And of course, when they have wraps, they usually do a little promo right here for a little photo op. So this is what the back looks like. Right in here is what the front of the photo op looks like. How it works is you're gonna have to lay on here, and I guess like it looks like you're flying in the clouds with these birds. I'm gonna try to demonstrate it. I mean, I'm a little embarrassed, I'm not gonna lie. So let me see if I can show you what it looks like. And they also have this little QR code, like a little video using this filter. Again, makes it look like you are more in the clouds. Can you guys see? So that's pretty cute. It's always fun when they put little things like this in City Walk. Look at this little Santa, he's like getting down. Breakdancing Santa you can find here in City Walk. Dang! And for the next two clips, I don't know why, but my audio like suddenly disappeared. But I just want to let you know that the Mystery Machine is back in this location. They did take out the little Coca-Cola stand. So if you want to get that photo with Scooby and the gang, the Mystery Machine is back. And Scooby seemed pretty happy as well. So, of course, I wanted to give you a little update, a little progress on the Fast and the Furious roller coaster. They do have some metal bars that are actually, like, starting to go vertical, as you can see. Again, I don't really know, like, construction terms, so if you guys know, let me know. But I just wanted to give you a little overview. There were a lot of people working on this project yesterday, and things are moving along. Like, the stairs look a little different, even movement on this square. Again, every week we'll be checking in to see the progress on this new coaster. So since Migration is coming out, they did bring a new character meet and greet, and it is Gwen, and she's like a little bird. I had to look it up. So you're gonna wanna meet her in the pets area in front of MacGuff Cinema. Hello, welcome to Universal Studios. I'm glad to see you here. You are just so adorable. Thank you. So it looks like they're making their way down, like fixing up each building in New York Street. So again, we don't have any info on this supposed Mario Cafe, but hopefully it'll be opening soon. They did add some decor to like the walls, so that's pretty cool. They kept it in like the theme of New York. And I like how they were promoting some of the businesses. Like you got Gabby Cabby's business. And here I do like this sign. It says, join the New York Neighborhood Construction Team to make things better. Committee meetings daily help us make things real nice. I also like that they have the New York Street Sweep, Holiday Cleanup, and Dance Crew. And they're actually about to perform. They're right over here. The only place you wanna be is underneath like Christmas. So I was walking by the city snack shop and I saw this little Whoville spiral croissant. I think it just looks so cute. I have yet to try any of the desserts here. This one actually looks interesting, but the ones I've seen, nothing like really stands out. So if you guys have tried anything, or if you want me to try anything specifically, let me know, just because nothing is like calling my name. This is a current view from this angle. Look at this crane just like in the park. Whoa. Also, I was hoping that they're gonna like release some holiday balloons, but no holiday balloons as of yet. Simpsons Land, they have like this huge, I don't know if it's gonna be a stage of some sort, but they have like these big lighting rigs, and I have no idea what this is gonna be used for. So we decided to ride the studio tour because there was no wait. And I haven't been on it since like before Horror Nights. You know, I was on it weekly, so I had to take a little break, but it was nice to be back. Near the fire station, the little dinosaur got his little Santa hat, and there were only like a little few remnants of Halloween Horror Nights. And near Exterminators, they just have like the little vehicle. The Bates Motel is currently going under refurbishment. Norman is like usually there, but today, maybe because it's a little later, he was not. And also the studio tour was quite short today, so we skipped like the Western sets, little Europe, and also there was filming on the back lot, so we weren't able to go on there. So it was like a really short tram trip, but again, it was nice just to be on it, because I haven't been on it in a little bit. So it is like later in the day, so I'm pretty sure they're done, but it looks like a lot of work was happening over here on this side of the escalator. So like I mentioned, it's later in the day, almost 5. work has stopped for today, but I just wanted to show you what this view is looking like for now. I was just here near the lower lot, and usually the tent was up, but not even the tent is there. It is gone, gone, gone. Also, I don't think I'm gonna head down to the lower lot. They also have another little stage down there that I could see from here. Again, I don't know what this is for. All right, so I didn't think I was gonna come to the lower lot until I was able to get a Toadstool Cafe reservation. I haven't been here since like soft opening, but it's not really packed today, so I was able to get one for like $4.15. I just had like the QR code saved, and I went to the website and I checked and it was open, and the line wasn't long at all, so that was super cool. So I'm gonna try something that I haven't tried yet, and something that I liked last time, so hopefully it's still good. So for dinner, I got the Chef Toad short ribs special, but it sits on a goat cheese polenta with sauteed mushrooms. And the short rib was actually very tender, and I liked the gravy. It was very flavorful. The polenta, it did taste like goat cheese, so I think more people would like it if it had like a bed of mashed potatoes. But I didn't mind it, but I was here with my aunt. She wasn't really a fan of it. My aunt did get the Mario burger, and it comes with like bacon, American cheese, mushroom, and her burger was really good. The bacon was delicious, so I've had that burger before, and it did stay consistent. And we also had the tiramisu once again, and that did not disappoint. It was so good. It had that coffee flavor, but the dessert itself was still light and airy, and it was delicious. So I know sometimes when you come on the weekends, people say that they wait for their food like for a very long time, but luckily today, I'm here on a Tuesday, and we didn't wait long at all. Like, service was smooth, everything was perfect. Super Nintendo World is pretty empty. 30 minutes till park closing. It closes at 6, but right now is a good time because in the upcoming weeks, the holiday crowds will be here. So before I leave the park, I just wanted to show you French Street and how beautiful it looks with like the little string lights. I'm so glad that they put them up. So I'm here in the Universe store. They got in some new items. Felix the cat. I always like when they bring in new stuff, change up the store a little bit. But this is the little Felix section. They also got in some new Jurassic Park merch. Like this says prehistoric. Kind of looks like a band tee. That's pretty cool. And they have this hoodie as well with like the Jurassic Park logo. And they also got in this new Minion collection. It looks like a little crazy ice cream cone. But look at this jacket. That's cool. And it says Buff Monster Minions. That's kind of the collab. Right here you got a little banana peel on the sweats. This is what the bum looks like. So again, just showing you kind of like the current collection they have right now in the Universe store. But that's gonna do it here today from Universal Studios. Again, there are not a ton of updates just because Grinchmas is going on, but nonetheless, we had a great day. It was so fun. The park was like pretty empty today, so it was just like a perfect Universal day. All right, but for now, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, because we're gonna have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys.